change one rule at school, what would you change? There's no way that you guys are happy with all your school rules. If you had one school rule to change, which one would it be and why? Yes, Frida?
I want to change bill number because first grade go cafeteria after second grade.
Meal number? Meal number. Oh, meal number. Okay. So how do you want it to change? First grade goes before second.
Yes.
Okay, so what do you want? You want your class to go first?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Meal plan. Meal number or order. Okay. How about other people? Yes, let's start with you and then you.
I want to be able to borrow more than 2 books in the library.
You want to?
To borrow more than 2 books in the library.
Oh, to borrow more than 2 books in the library. Okay, borrow more than 2 books at the library. What else? Yes.
I would like to change the rules about school uniform. Every student can wear whatever they want at school in my new rules.
Okay, school uniform. So that everybody can be allowed to wear whatever they want. How about other people? Yes, Minchan? 1, 2. Yes.
I would like to change the rest time rule.
Okay, resting time. Okay.
It is because 10 minutes is too short.
Okay, how many minutes would you want it to be?
1 hour.
1 hour. Because you have rest time between your lectures and then you have a big break.
No,
You don't have a big break?
a big break on lunchtime.
Oh, so big break is also lunch time.
Lunchtime 1 hour.
Okay.
And one relax time is 30 minutes. And class time is 1 minute.
Your rules are a bit confusing. Okay, so at the moment, you guys have 10 minutes in between classes. So you want it to be 1 hour in between classes. Wow. Why? It's because it's too little? Okay. How about other people? You will be next. Yes.
I want to change my school's start time.
Oh, we also have break time or rest time. Oh, you want to change what?
Start time.
Oh, school start time. Okay. Why?
Because I want to sleep more in the morning.
You want to sleep more in the morning. What time do you go to school at the moment? What time do you have to be at school? What time does school start?
8:30.
8:30. Okay, and you want it to start at
9.
9. Also, you want extra 30 minutes so that you can rest at home. Okay. Why? You want to rest? Oh, you want to rest. Okay. Yes. So here.
I want to change the rule of having to sit down and take class because I want to lie down and take class.
You don't want to sit on the chair. You want to lay down while listening to your class lesson. Okay, why lay down? What if you fall asleep in the middle of the lesson? Why? Why do you want to lay down instead of sitting?
I'm so sleepy.
You are so sleepy when you are sitting. Imagine when you are laying down. It's gonna be worse. Everybody in class is going to fall asleep. Okay, how about other people? Yes.
I would change a rule which blocks using phones at school.
Yes. Why? Why do you wanna stop that rule?
Because I cannot use phone with anything at school.
Okay, so what is so important to use phone while you're at school? To use the phone for while at school? If they say you can have your phone, what is so important that you want to do while you're at school? Have you thought about that? Because if they give your phones to you, you're gonna start being on Instagram, others are going to start playing games, nobody will study, no one will make friends, everybody will be glued to their phones. But okay, that's a rule that can change. Maybe other people want to use the phone. Yes, what about you? Which rule do you want to change? Ah, okay. Is there something in your daily life that you wish could be better? What can we make better or improve in our lives or in your lives? What do you want to improve in your lives? Is there one thing that you want to improve? Yes.
I wish school desk could be more larger and comfortable.
Okay, like the school desk. Oh, okay, more space and comfortable. Okay. How about other people? What's one thing you want to improve in your daily life? Yes.
School have to make study room like study cafe.
Oh, make study rooms like study cafes. Okay. How about other people? What do you want to improve in your life, in your daily life? What do you want to improve in your daily life, Danmi? Say that again. You want what? More free time. Okay, why do you want more free time? You want to? If you had to change one thing in your daily life, what would it be? What do you want to make better? What do you want to improve? Jiyu, what do you want to improve in your daily life?
I want to go best academy and 2 times a week.
Oh, 2 times a week. Oh, okay. Why do you want to go 2 times a week?
Because I think I do best academy so many times.
Ah, okay. So you want to reduce your time. How many times do you go a week?
Now
Yes, now at the moment.
5
5
times.
times, and you want to reduce it to 2 times. Ah, okay. How about other people? Who wants to make improvements in their daily life? Other people are happy with their daily life? Nothing. There's nothing you want to improve. There's nothing you want to make better in your daily life? Okay. If you could help the world in one way, how would you help? Remember, there's currently a war going on between certain countries. If you were to help the world in any way, how would you help? What would you make different? What change would you make? Yes.
I would like to help needy children in Africa by giving them food or teaching them.
Ah, nice. How about other people? 1, 2, 3. 1.
I want to remove environmental problem because Earth is getting warmer.
Earth is getting warmer. Okay, environmental problems. Number 2.
I will help the world by eliminating greenhouse gases to solve them global warming.
Greenhouse gases to solve global warming. Okay, number 3.
If I can help the environment to pollution rate, I want to help because pollution is getting more and more serious these days.
Good. Pollution is becoming a bigger problem. What else? How would you change the world? How would you change the world? Yes, Chingu.
Me?
Yeah, I'm looking at you. How would you change the world?
I want to be a king of the world.
King of the world. Okay, what would you do as the king of the world?
Just to be it's good to work.
So it would be good for you. Okay, but how about people? How would you help people if you become the king? You don't want to help people, you just want to better your life.
No, just my my happy is people's happy.
Oh, so when you are happy, people will be happy.
Yes.
So you are going to look after the people. Okay, but when you look after the people, tell me one thing you will do for them to make them happy because you are happy.
I will
What would you do as a king? Remember, kings have many resources available for them. They have power. How would you use your power to help the world? Now you are happy, you are king, but how do you make people happy? How do you make others around you happy? How can you better people's lives now that you are a king?
She can't be king.
He can't be king, yeah, I think so too, because he's not helping people. Yeah, king, you need to think of how you would help your people. When you become a king, there will be a lot of responsibilities. A lot of people will come for you for help. How are you going to help them?
I will help them very everything.
Okay, but you think of things you can do. Now, okay, imagine you are already king, maybe here in Changwon. What is it that is missing in Changwon that you would bring, or something that you know is helpful for people but Changwon doesn't have it? What would you change? Because remember, being in power comes with a lot of responsibilities and you must change the world. For example, if I was a queen in Changwon, I'll make sure that we find a way to have a subway. Because we don't have a subway, right? Yeah. So how would you make Changwon better? Put it in the map so that many people can visit Changwon. How about other people? Has anything in your life been difficult lately? What has been difficult for you? For example, myself, I have been struggling to get back to my normal sleeping routine since so long. I have been struggling. I sleep late because I was having a nice time during Lunar New Year. But now I need to go back to my old sleeping routine, so I'm struggling. That's been difficult for me. What are your struggles at the moment? What are you struggling with? Yes, tell me.
Recently, school vacation was over and I should go school every day, which makes me tired and sad.
Sad? Okay. That's his struggles. What are yours?
It is difficult to do homework when after I go middle school.
So middle school homework is a bit hard? Or is it, what's difficult? Is it the homework or it's too much work to do?
Academy, middle school study time.
So you are struggling to balance being in middle school and going to academy. Okay. So it's a new transition because now he's in middle school, so he has to do a lot of things at once. Okay. How about other people? What are your struggles? Is your life perfect? Yes. 1, 2, 1.
My classmate, because he disturbs every day.
He disturbs you every day? Did you report to your teacher?
He
Is he playing or is it something serious?
very serious.
Very serious, then you must tell your teacher that your classmate is disturbing you. That's a very,
He
very...
disturbs every student.
He disturbs every student. Oh, and then what do the teachers do? What have they done about that? Nothing.
Teachers say to him, but he
They
don't
didn't listen.
hear.
Oh, troublesome student, troublesome classmate. Okay. How's your life? Yes.
Because the new school year is like, I just since we got go, so I couldn't make any friends.
Oh, so you haven't made friends. So that's that's difficult. Oh, it's okay. Remember, you just went back to school. You still have time to make friends. Okay, that is a problem. What about you? How about you? What are your problems? What have you been struggling with lately, Yasmin-chan?
I have to do more hard math homework.
Oh, okay. And have you found a solution to these problems? To that problem?
I have to be smart.
You have to be smart? Okay. So when you are faced with challenges or problems, you need to come up with solutions. What are you going to do to solve your problems? If you are struggling to make friends, what can you do to solve that problem? Let's advise each other as a class. If someone is struggling to make friends, what can we tell that person to do? Let's find a solution, yes.
give 마이쮸.
Give maiju to classmates? What is maiju? Is it a drink?
젤리 플러스 캔디.
Okay. Yeah, so you can bring maiju candy in class and give people, and then maybe you'll find a friend. Okay. Nice. See, we're solving problems together. If you are struggling to balance your middle school life with academy, what can you do? Let's give each other solutions. What can you do? You have to go to middle school, you also have to go to academy, and you are struggling to find a balance. What do we do? Let's help each other. What can we do if we're struggling to find a balance? You guys are thinking about 6, 7, yeah? What can we do to find a balance? What can we do? If you are struggling to balance your life, what can we do? Let's advise each other. Let's find a solution together to all these problems. If you are struggling, yes.
Maybe calculate the time you spend in activity every day.
Good. Calculate the time you spend in other activities every day. Maybe you play too much and you don't really have to play too much. So you can cut down your playing time so that you can add more time to your studies and homework. That's very good advice. What other problem did we have? Maths Academy. You go to Maths Academy 5 times and you want to go 2 times. What's the solution for this? How can you tell your parents that you want to go to Maths Academy 2 times a week, not 5 times? What's the solution for this problem? Let's advise each other. What would you do if you were going to Maths Academy 5 times and you need to find a way to ask your parents to reduce it to 2 times instead of 5? What would you do? How would you make your parents listen to you and change that?
Get a good grade at math test.
Good. Get a good grade at maths test, and now you can tell your parents that, Mom and Dad, I think I am getting better in maths. Can I at least go 3 times or 2 times? Because now you have to negotiate. So you need to bring something to say, you see, I have a good grade, meaning I'm getting better, so I don't have to go 5 times anymore. I can do 2 times or 3 times. Okay, so you have to negotiate. Okay. If you had more time or more money, what would you do? If you were a king or a queen with more money and more time, what would you do? What's one thing you would do? Whether it's for you or for other people, what would you do? What do you wish you could do for others or for yourself? I'll probably be traveling the world. If I had money and more time, I wouldn't be working. I'll be traveling, yes.
I want to get more time, and then I can do my homework there. I can play game more time, and I can sleep more time.
Good. That's what he wants to do. Sleep more, play games, all that. What would you do if you had more time and more money? Yes. What would you do, Yuju?
Well, if I had more time, I would play all the day. And if I had more money,
have change, we have improve, we have situation, possibility, problem, solution, hope, and future. Pick a word and explain. Yes, Soidan? Who will be next? Solution.
A way to solve
A way to solve
a problem.
a problem. Yes. Change.
Make something different.
Good. Make something different. Pick a word. Yes. 1, 2.
Future.
Future.
The time that will come back.
Good. A later time or a time that is about to come. Yes. And after it's you. Improve.
To make something better.
To make something better. Yes.
Hope.
Hope.
What I wish to become true.
Good. Something that you wish to become true. Now we are left with problem, possibility, situation. Problem, possibility, situation. What is a situation? What is a situation? What is a problem? And what is a possibility? If I say there is a possibility that today it might rain, then what is the meaning of possibility? There is a possibility that in this class, one of my students might be a twin. What is a possibility? Yeah?
Chance to happen something.
Good. A chance of something happening. A chance of something happening. A might event. Okay? Possibility, chance. Okay, problem, situation. What is a problem? Guys, you know this word. You always use it. Teacher, I have a problem, my friend. What is a problem? Yes.
No matter that we face.
Good. A problem is a difficulty. When you find yourself in a hard time or struggling to do something, that is a problem. So, situation. Situation. A situation is a circumstance in which one finds oneself. More like a problem, but this one is an unplanned event or an unplanned problem that just happened. Maybe on your way to school something happened and then you happen to be late. You can come and say, teacher, I had a situation today. And I'm like, what was the situation? We were driving from home to school, but then the bus driver caused an accident. God forbid that, but yeah, situation. Okay, brainstorm and you can follow this way or you can do it your own way. This is an example. You could change the world and make it a better place. What would you do? Brainstorming time.